unknown number of icebergs. Base weather report. No confirmed icebergs, except less than 10 icebergs east of the western iceberg limit. All ships operating in this area are requested to report their position, course and ice observation every 6 hours to Iceberg Dawn via any Canadian Marine radio station. Our forecast for the eastern waters of Newfoundland and Labrador, eastern environment Canada, at 10:00 Eastern Daylight Time, Wednesday, May 15, for today, tonight and Thursday. Strength as estimated from Newfoundland near 4925 north, 5345 west, to 5000 north, 5315 west, to 5015 north, 5410 west, to 5315 north, 5410 west, to 5450 north, 5155 west, to 5625 north, 5655 west, to 5800 north, 5800 west, and northward. Sunrise west of the ice. Strait of Belle eastern half. 4 tenths first year ice, including a trace of old ice. Strait of Belle western half. 2 tenths first year ice, including a trace of old ice. Belle Bank. Within water, except 1/10 first year ice, including a trace of old ice in the extreme northwestern section. South Labrador Coast, northern half. 2/10 first year ice, including a trace of old ice, except 7/10 first year ice, including a trace of old ice in the western section. South Labrador Coast, southern half. Within water, except 9/10 first year ice, including a trace of old ice along the coast. Mid Labrador Coast. 5/10 first year ice, including a trace of old ice, except 9/10 first year ice, including a trace of old ice along the coast. South Labrador Sea. Within water, except 5/10 first year ice, including a trace of old ice in the western section. East Coast, St. Island Bank. Within water. Northeast Coast. Within water, except 2/10 first year ice, including a trace of old ice along parts of the coast in the southern section. Contact SOS Canada, China Marine Radio, for reading advice. East Coast ice analysis charts can be copied on CFH Halifax S2222 Coordinated Universal Time and 0001 Coordinated Universal Time, and on Coast Sydney at 1142 Coordinated Universal Time and 2331 Coordinated Universal Time. This is Labrador Coast Guard Radio.